Bueno, Temico acaba de comer una banana con dulce de leche por primera vez. Dulce de leche casero, banana en Australia. Y Temico, what's up?
Oh my god, it's so...
It's unbelievable the reaction that
my
dulce
God.
de leche can do.
Oh my god, it's so goddamn good!
Go for another one, Temi.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do. It's just so good, I can't eat anymore.
Go for another one.
No way, not again. Okay.
The reaction that this can do.
I don't want to touch it, it's so good. I can't get it in my face. Oh my god. I think this is the best moment of my entire life. I think this is the best moment of my entire life. I honestly don't think
Okay, what did you try? What did you just have? No, say it again. No, dulce de leche. Dulce de leche.
Dulce de leche.
Yeah.
Dulce
That's
de
the way.
leche.
Yeah, you're gonna get there.
Dulce de leche. Oh.
Dulce de leche. Yeah, good.
This
This is a moment for.
I can't wash this. We can't wash these spoons. Don't wash the spoons. Don't wash anything. Don't wash this. I can't believe you're filming the best moment of my life. Oh my god. We're not washing this plate. Oh, there's some. Have you still got the can you made it in? Where's the can?